Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha on Tuesday launched the Hostla Inspiring Her Growth, a comprehensive program for catalyzing women entrepreneurship in the UT here at SKICC Srinagar. Lashing out at the Centers over Migrants Crisis, Congress latches on into the Supreme Court's observations to demand that Modi government tender an apology to country for its unpardonable sins. Slamming the centers for its unpardonable lethargy in implementing a 2018 directions to register all unorganized sector workers, the Supreme Court on Tuesday directed the union and state governments to complete registrations of all workers by July 31, which also will be the deadline for implementing One Nation One Ration Card scheme. American internet giant Facebook has thrown its weight behind India's new IT rules and has said that they make sense while empowering users and limiting their abuse on social media, India MD Ajit Mohan has told. Devas Multimedia, Bangalore-based company seeking over 1.2 billion, it won international arbitration from the government, has joined Cairn Energy in seeking to seize Air India's asset abroad. A video from Bihar's Kishanganj district has gone viral in which a groom can be seen lifting his newlywed bride on his shoulder to carry her across a monsoon river in Spate. Former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh's demand that he be questioned through video conferencing and details of the case be made available to him was turned down by the Enforcement Directorate on Tuesday. The Supreme Court has ruled that if a person kidnapped a child for ransom but looks after the minor well and does not threaten to kill or harm him to extract release money from his parents, then he could not be sentenced to life imprisonment under Section 364A of Indian Penal Code. 2 days after the first ever terror drone strike in the country at the Jammu Air Force Station, Prime Minister Narendra Modi chaired a top-level meeting on Tuesday to discuss a policy on the use of civil drones, futuristic challenges in the defense sector and the need to suitably equip the military with modern equipment to tackle such threats. Priyanka Chopra took to Instagram to share pictures as she visited the Rock and Roll Hall of Fame with her mother Madhu Chopra.